Today we are going to discuss Mathematics Standard 7 topic Integer lesson number 2. Before starting today's session, let's do little physical exercise. You can do in sitting position also. Yes, thank you. Now, here is the question number 1 of exercise 1.1. Lesson number 1, integers. Question is here. You can see if you have the textbook, then you open and see there is a big question with a picture. I will read out the question. Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius. In symbol it is written degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. See, number line is shown here. It is written -10 to 25 and the different cities names are written here: Lahore, Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty and Bangalore. A. What we have to find? Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places mentioned on it. Let's check the answers. The answers are here. The A. The temperature of the places marked on it is place and temperature. Student, you can make the table also like this way. Places and then against them temperature. So in place of Bangalore, temperature is shown 22 degrees centigrade. Ooty is showing 40 degrees centigrade. Simla is showing 5 degrees centigrade. Srinagar is showing -2 degrees centigrade and Lahore Spiti is -8 degrees centigrade. Can you see this one in a large way? See, Simla having the 5 degree, it's a positive nagar, and Srinagar it's a -2 digits. See students, here is -5 and this is 0, isn't it? Okay, so after 0, 1 and 2, that's a -2 degree Srinagar temperature. Okay, same way Ooty is showing here 14 degrees centigrade. Understood? So you can make the table for first question A. Now look at the second B. What they ask us in B? The temperature of the hottest place. So you can compare the temperature. Whose temperature is more? It's a hottest place. Yes, that's a Bangalore. And how much it is? Yes, 22 degree centigrade. Yes, and the temperature of the coldest place, that's a minus number, and minus number is also big number. That means a coldest place. Yes, that is the Lahore Spiti. How much degree it is? It's a -8 degree temperature. Yes. Now, what they ask us? A temperature also. How much? So, student, what we have to do? We have to subtract a number from the figure, hottest to coldest. Hottest temperature is 22 degrees centigrade and coldest is -8. So 22 degree minus -8 degree centigrade. This is the value. We are knowing minus into minus plus. Yes, student. So 22 degree centigrade plus 8 degree centigrade, which sums up 30 degree centigrade. So the difference between two cities, which is the hottest and coldest, is a 30 degree centigrade. Now B is here over. Look at the C. The temperature of Srinagar is how much? Yes, the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees centigrade. Student, be careful. Whatever things they ask us, we should have to write plus or minus to minus. Now, temperature of Lahul Spiti, yes, that's a -8 degrees centigrade. Okay, now what is the difference between Srinagar and Lahul Spiti? What we have to do? Difference means subtraction. Very good. So we can write -2 degrees centigrade minus and -8 degrees centigrade. What is the difference there? There is a difference, plus -8 degrees centigrade. So -2 degrees centigrade and -8 degrees centigrade. So it will give a 6 degree temperature. Here is the plus sign, not a minus sign, because it is shown as minus into minus. That gives us a plus. Once again, student, -2 degrees centigrade minus -8 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now this minus into minus will become a plus. So -2 degrees centigrade plus 8 degrees centigrade. And we are knowing one number is plus and one number is minus. What we have to do? Subtraction. 8 minus 2 is a 6. And who is the bigger number? 8 is the bigger number. That's why the sign of this number is 6 degrees centigrade. And always the difference are coming in this way. Now look at the D. D, what they ask? The temperature of Srinagar and Simla. How much is that together? Simla is 5 degree and Srinagar is -2 degree. Is it? Yes. So we can plus it. We will get it. How much? 3 degrees centigrade. See, very simple. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now the temperature at Simla is 5 degrees centigrade. Is it less than or greater than? Yes, Simla's temperature is greater than. So we can write 3 degrees less than 5 degrees centigrade. Thus the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla. It's a 3 degree and here is the 5 degree. So it's a less than. Now temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree. -2 degree is smaller than 3 degree centigrade. In symbol also we can write here like this way. So here the temperature is less than the Srinagar. Okay. So here you can show in symbol also. So I hope you understood how to write this answer. Now look at the question number 2. Question number 2 is represented here by saying in a quiz. Do you like to play a quiz, student? Yes. Positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 20, what was his total at the end? Students, you are playing a quiz. Sometime you will get the plus marks, sometime it's a negative also. Incorrect answer means negative. Let's check the answer. Jack score in 5 successive rounds are given. That means we should have to add up. Addition of this number, it's so simple. Whatever the negative number, we have to put in bracket. Yes, there are 2 times negative number. One is -5 and one is the -10. Will you add up? What we have to do here? Very simple. Add the positive number together and add negative number together. See, here positive number is 25, then after 15 and 10. So we can add is 25, 15 and 10. What is total of these positive numbers? Yes, 5, 5, 10, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 0, 10. 1 is the carryover. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So there are positive 50 marks. Now what about the negative marks? There are 2 times negative marks, 1 time -5, second time -10. Now we have to add up this both number because this both number have a equal sign, minus minus. So 5 plus 10 will give us 15. But what kind of 15? Positive or negative? Yes, negative. Now after the addition of this both type of numbers, you have 2 numbers. One is a 50 and second is a -15. So now subtract this both number and find out the answer easily without doing any calculations. You should have to do 50 minus 15. What will be the answer, students? Check out in your rough note. Yes, it is a 35. And 35 positive or negative? Positive, because 50 is bigger number than 15 and 50 has a plus sign, so we can write a positive number. Let's check the answer. I already hidden this answer here and check it. Yes or no? Yes, my answer is right. Your answer is also right. I know you did this one. So total marks of a quiz Jack score is 35 by positive and negative numbers. Now look at the third question. Third question is here. Now at Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees centigrade on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Student, read the question carefully, try to understand what things they given us and what things they want to ask. What they ask us. 2 degree centigrade dropped down on Tuesday. Suppose there is a -5, 2 degree more downside, that means -7 degree temperature on Tuesday. Dropped down, not raised up. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Verbally we did these things, but calculating we have to show. You have to write in exam. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. Rose up means high. अप हो गया बेटा. कोल्ड था उसमें से थोड़ा हॉट बन गया. What was the temperature on this day? So 2 questions they ask us, and we are knowing how to write these two both answers. Okay, let's check the answer. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar is -5 degrees centigrade. Okay, yes, very good. Now, on Tuesday, temperature is dropped down by how much degree? Yes, the 2 degree centigrade drop down. Understood, student? Yes, that means -5 -2. See, here it is shown. Both number are negative. What we have to do? We have to do add and sign remain negative. So -7 degree centigrade temperature on Tuesday at Srinagar. On Wednesday, temperature rose up 4 degree centigrade. So student, be careful here. So many students are making simple, silly mistake. What they did, they will start from -5 degree. Monday's temperature they will start and calculating the answer. No. Here in question clearly said after Tuesday, Wednesday, temperature is rose up to 4 degree centigrade. So that's why we should have to add +4 degree to -7 degree centigrade. One number is plus and one number is minus. So we can take it as subtraction. 4 minus 7. No, but we can take for our calculation 7 minus 4. That means 3. Now about the sign, put the sign of the number which is the greater. Here 7 is greater than 4. So 7 has the minus sign. The answer will come in minus. So answer is -3 degree temperature. Okay. Let's check once again. Yes, it is written here. -3 degree centigrade. Okay. Now, what is the final answer? At Srinagar, temperature on Tuesday is -7 degree centigrade. On Wednesday, it's a -3 degree centigrade respectively. Understood this question, students? You can write it in your way. It's not compulsory to write the same sentence whatever you are seeing on screen, or you can found from somewhere else. You can make your own sentence. Understood? Good. Now, look at here. Next question. The question is here. Very big question. No, only symbol. Can you get the idea of this question? Let's first read out the question. Or shall we move for direct answer? No, students. Just we can take time to read out the questions. Here is a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. Plane is flying in the sky. ऊपर से जा रहा है. Yes. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? See, student, I want to explain pictures here. See, this is the sea. Sea means S-E-A. S-E-A means, yes, you are right. Samudra, Daryo. Yeah, barabar. Okay, okay. In English we can say sea. Sea water is up to here. And this aeroplane is flying from this level to upstairs 5,000 meter. Student, be careful. 5,000 meter above it is flying an aeroplane. At the same point, a submarine. Submarine, do you know what is submarine? It is not floating on the water. It is dragon under the water. Under the water. So here under the water, submarine is moving. What is the distance of this submarine? The distance of this submarine is 1200 meter below the sea level. This is our level, sea level. It is called the sea level. You may be found these types of sentence at railway stations also. Yes, some students are knowing about this one. Our Kashmir is above the sea level. Below the sea level is not possible. Otherwise, we are under the water. It's Maua also above the sea level. Good. So now we have to find out the total distance between them. What we have to do, student? Here to here we have to find out total distance. You got now little bit idea how to find out. Try to do yourself. I will give 2 minutes to find out the answer. The total distance between this one. What you will do? Addition, subtraction, or multiply. Yes, there is one option also, division. See the answer. Very clearly written. What the things are given, you should have to write in statement. Will give you a more impression. Height of a plane above the sea level is a 5000 meter, and floating a submarine below the sea level is 1200 meter. The total vertical straight line, vertical means straight line, horizontal means this way. Okay, vertical distance between this and this we have to find out. So what can do? Yes, 5000 plus 1200. It gives us 6200. Your answer is right. Yes, my dear students. Now look at the next question. Question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642. Students, I use the questions in blur, so it is not necessary to copy from this video from it. The next day, if he withdraw of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how you represent the amount deposited? Second, find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Student, here you have two new words. One is deposit and second is withdrawal. You may be knowing about the bank and you visited sometimes bank also. What bank people are doing? Yes, what doing? Say loudly. They are giving money or taking money. Suppose your account is there, your father account is there, you visit there and see there. Your father is keeping money in bank, that's a deposit, and when they are taking out money, it's a withdrawal. So new words, deposit means to keep the money into bank and withdrawal means taking out. Understood? Deposit, how much rupees he deposit Mohan? 2000 rupees. Yes student, deposit 2000 rupees is always comes into plus sign. Whenever you expense, withdraw, suppose you have 100 rupees and you purchase something, a wafer packet of 10 rupees, will 10 rupees add or subtract? Suppose you have 100 rupees and you are purchasing 10 rupees wafer packet. What you will do? Add 10 rupees or subtract 10 rupees? Yes, subtracting 10 rupees. And now what is the balance now with you? Yes, my dear student, that's a 90. Without doing any calculation, you can do very fast the answer. You are very clever. So withdrawal is coming in minus sign. Understood? 1642. So whenever we subtract this number, we will find 358 rupees balance with Mohan. So before there we can say withdrawal comes in the minus sign. Do you know how to subtract, or I want to show it here? Let's do. I will show you the subtraction. 2000 minus 1642. 0 is not possible, 0 is not possible, we can cut it. Here is 1, here is 9, here is 9, and last number is a 10. 10 minus 2, that's say 8. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3. And 1 minus 1, 0. So 358 is the answer. This is the 7th standard student. You are not facing the problem to do subtraction. Okay, good. Then after also be careful, don't do directly the answer. Oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you. What? You should have to check your answer yourself. How? Add this both number. Okay, if you get plus and then this answer, then your answer is right. This is the key. Now look at the 6th question. Question number 6 is also very interesting. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. East, west, north and south. You are knowing the directions. From B, C moves 30 km towards west along the same road. First east, then west, opposite direction. If the distance toward east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? Same way, deposit and withdrawal, positive and negative numbers. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? So student, you can take a help of a number line. See, this is a practical life problem. You can draw it very easily. It's very simple way. See, here is the direction. At middle, you can find 0. And this direction is east and opposite is west. First, what about a 20 km towards east from a point A to B? From here to here 20 km. Understood, student? Yes. Now from B, how much distance traveled? Yes. The difference is from first time it is moving on this direction, east direction, and then after second time east. When it reached here, it start to west direction, so it will come to the east side, opposite direction, and reach at the point C. Suppose that point is C. How much travel distance? Let's see. According to the number line, Rita moves towards east is represented by a positive, because in question already said east direction is positive integer. And next one, but she moves in opposite direction, that means we are knowing addition, positive and negative. So west direction represent in negative integers. Now what the distance she traveled from A to B is a 20. Here to here is a 20 kilometer, or yes, kilometer is given. Now B to C, this to here is a 30 kilometer. So this 30 is a minus degree. Minus sign will be there. So A to C distance is, we should have to find out. A to C distance, what is the A to C distance, students? Yes, we can find out 20 minus 30. A 20 minus 30, actually not possible, but just forget about the minus sign. 30 minus 20 you can do. Yes, 10. And which is the bigger number, 20 or 30? 30. And 30 has which sign? Negative sign. You just put the negative sign over, because it's a waste direction. She is there, not reach up to the same place. Here she not reach up 10 kilometer more on different direction. Understood, student? We'll continue, or we can do the next question in homework. We will solve in next session also. Till there, goodbye, bye bye. Take care.